In today's video, we're going to be driving the brand new 2022 Ford Mustang Mach E GT. This is the fastest Mach E in the new Ford Mustang product line. And guys, don't worry, for you guys that are wondering if the original two-door Ford Mustang is going to be discontinued, it will not. This is just a new product line wearing the Mustang badge. Well guys, we're at the Lumen Field Event Center today for the Seattle International Auto Show. Hope you guys enjoy it. We're gonna walk around and see what's new for 2022, and we're outside. These are all the new cars that you can drive for 2022. So we're gonna probably hop in a few of these and go for a little cruise. I'm here with my buddy David and Shane from work. And let's see what we can hop in.
I don't have friends, I got family.
The auto show is going to open up today at noon, and you can drive any of these vehicles out here. And you do have to have either a COVID vaccination card to come to the event today, or a negative COVID test result within 72 hours, which I do have. So if you guys enjoy this kind of content, give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below. It take a couple minutes to register, and now we're ready to hop in a car and go for some test drives. Going to be a real-time test drive. I hope you guys enjoy. It's going to be like 10 minutes long. I'm just going to drive the car. You guys can all experience kind of first-person perspective of what we saw inside the car.
On, in green it'll say ready. That's how you know that's on, ready to drive. Okay. Feel free to adjust the seats, the mirrors, the steering wheel.
Oh, look at that. It's like the Tesla.
Yeah, 15.5-inch center screen, 10.2-inch digital instrument cluster. We have a wireless charge pad up front. We have USB ports, heated seats, heated steering wheel. And
okay.
If you're good to go, we have a rotary shifter. So foot on the brake.
Yep.
Turn that to D for drive.
That's it.
That's it. I'm gonna have you duck through here if you can. Definitely check for traffic on your left behind you. And we're going straight down.
And this is 100% electric, no gas at all?
No gas at all. So
wow.
You run out of power, you gotta...
What's the range on it?
On this particular model, the range is listed for 270 miles on a full charge.
Oh, so that's pretty good.
Yeah, this one is the GT, so it does have the larger battery pack and all-wheel drive. Our max range is 305. That'd be on the California Route 1 package. That'd be the larger battery pack with rear-wheel drive.
What's the charging time if you've got like fast charging versus slow charging?
Yeah, on a DC fast charger, this can take up to 150 kilowatts and get you back up to 80% in under 45 minutes.
Wow.
On a home charger 240 system, you can add about 28 miles of range per hour of charge time back to the car.
Okay. So you definitely want the quick charge.
Yeah, well, I mean, the DC fast charge is only like a public station.
Mm-hmm.
It's not recommended to DC fast charge all the time, but like your home charger, it's an overnight charge. But you're not always going to be plugging in at low empty range. A lot of times, you're.
What is the MSRP start on these ones?
43 grand. You'll do a left turn here.
Okay.
So we have 4 trim levels. You have 2 battery size choices. You can get rear or all-wheel drive. So all those features and choices can affect the price, the range, and the performance.
And this one is all-wheel drive, being the GT?
Yep, the GT starts at 60 grand.
Oh wow, that's very responsive.
The nice thing is the
We're going straight.
Left, please. All the Mach E's are eligible for the full federal tax credit of $7,500. As you can see on our screen here, we do have 3 different driving modes. Engage is kind of your normal mode where you get good acceleration, some regen braking.
Mm-hmm.
Whisper kind of smooths out and lessens the acceleration and limited on the regen braking. Unbridled gives you the best acceleration and more regen braking.
Okay.
Feel free to, we can toggle through those as we go.
bottom one.
We also do one pedal drive. That's an option for this vehicle.
Oh, there we go.
One pedal drive, basically you're using the accelerator to not only accelerate, but letting off maximizes regen, aggressively slows the vehicle down, and can even bring it to a complete stop.
Okay.
So we'll try that next. So now you're unbridled. You'll definitely feel crisper acceleration, and as you let off the accelerator, you'll have more, like we'll call it the engine braking feel, but it's regen braking.
What's the 0 to 60 on the GT?
On a
trim
base,
level?
yeah, on a base GT, 3.8 seconds.
Oh, geez.
If you get the performance package on the GT, 3.5 seconds. Let me have you right lane.
The torque is crazy.
We're going to continue straight. So this GT, standard GT, 480 horsepower, 600 pound-feet of torque.
Wow, 600 pound-feet?
If you get the performance package, the horsepower stays the same at 480. The torque goes to 634.
Wow, you could have some fun in this thing.
Yeah. The performance package gets you the Brembo brakes and the Magnarite suspension. This is a speaker that runs all the way across the front dash. That's they call it the sound bar.
Oh, nice.
You can get a glass roof. This one doesn't have the glass roof, but that's available.
Oh, there we go. Oh, this thing's nice. Dave, you should get one of these.
Yeah. You
pretty nice.
Heated seats, heated steering
Feel
wheel.
that heat is.
All the Mach E's have the standard across the board for safety: adaptive cruise control, blind spot system, automatic emergency braking.
Oh, it has a heated steering wheel too?
Yep, I think yeah, the last driver had that. Those are your heated seats are on and your steering wheel heat is on. If that's bothering you, I can
Oh,
turn
feels
that
good.
on.
Feels good.
So is this real leather? Or is this that Ford synthetic leather?
Yeah, so they're not offering real leather on the Mach E. It's the ActiveX material.
ActiveX, that's
Yeah,
what it's called. Yeah.
And then the GT does have like the suede inserts on these seats.
Okay.
So all the Mach E's will have the ActiveX, and then the GT can get you the suede inserts. At the light ahead, will go left.
And is a moonroof or panoramic an option on the Mach E?
So if you get the glass roof, it's a fixed glass roof. It does not open or slide or move.
Okay.
Yeah, left turn here, hard left.
So it's a fixed glass.
It's a fixed glass roof, but the nice thing, it does go from front and second
extends
row.
all the way back. Okay.
Correct, yeah.
Gotcha.
Yeah, the torque was crazy.
Yeah, it's instant with the electric. It's all right there.
Yeah, I've got a twin turbo Nissan Skyline that makes like 450 wheel, but the torque is nothing like this. This is a whole
Does it
different
take a
animal.
minute for the torque? Not
Yeah.
a minute, but a few seconds. Yeah. What year is your Skyline?
That's a 1991. It's old.
So after the turn, stay in the left lane, and we're going to go up the ramp.
Okay. What do you guys think of it back there?
It's comfortable.
Is it?
Yeah.
Is there heated seats back there too?
Not in the second row, no.
The driver's seat is really comfortable. Kind of sink down into it.
Yeah, on the GT, you get a little more bolstering on the sides compared to the standard seats.
Yeah, this is just weird to me.
Yeah, a lot of the new Fords have these. It's different for a lot of people.
Yeah, I mean, look at the shifter. Isn't that just weird? Rotate it to.
Yeah, that's what was in the Maverick too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So used to just a shifter.
You know, Ford's going to tell you, oh, it saves some space for your cords and your devices, and
There's no heads-up display or anything in this model, right?
not in the Mach E, no. I said stay in this left lane and we'll go up the ramp.
Okay.
And then let me turn on the one pedal drive.
And what does that do?
So you'll notice after you accelerate and let off,
Oh,
it's going to give you maximum regen.
Okay.
Can actually bring the car to
So you'll
complete.
feel a little bit of like deceleration.
You'll feel
from that
maximum,
effect.
yeah. And it can actually, like I said, it'll aggressively slow the vehicle down. It can actually bring it to a complete stop as well. So basically, you kind of learn to modulate the accelerator when you're in the one pedal mode. The nice thing is the brake pedal is there and always active and on. In case, like you say, you misjudge a stop or something, just using the one pedal.
Oh yeah. Yeah, you can feel that.
Yeah. The great thing is with this is that you have your choices. You can turn them on or off.
Yeah, that's crazy.
And the nice thing is, as you're letting off, the brake lights do come on, so people behind you know that you are.
Oh, okay. That's a nice feature. Yeah.
We're gonna go straight.
What is the sound? Is that like a simulated exhaust that pipes back through the speakers when you step on it?
It's a simulated sound Ford created.
Because it's cool. It sounds like a gasoline engine a little bit.
Yeah, a little bit. They didn't just record like a V8, but they kind of made a sound.
Huh.
And that's not coming from the electric motors itself. That's strictly through the car audio system.
The audio. Yeah, you'll take a right turn here.
Yeah, that's kind of cool. You basically don't have to use the brake. I'm not using the brake at all.
Right. Like I said, you kind of learn it to kind of judge your distances when you want to stop.
Yeah, this thing is fun.
Do a right turn here.
Do you think you guys will be able to get through the entire show today without having to recharge this?
What is my percentage telling us right now? 89. We started full.
Oh, yeah, that's not bad at all.
It's doing good because a lot of this is stop and go. So we're getting a lot of regen. And you'll stay right lane up the hill again. And stop at the top and turn right.
Yeah, it's definitely torquey.
We have dual zone climate control. So the bottom part of the screen is always for climate control. The one physical control is for volume. Getting to the home screen is just this top center. This is where you go to your nav, your radio.
That's awesome.
This top left, that's where you go to all your vehicle settings. So they made it pretty simple to get to the main screens. You can voice command a lot of these features. On your steering wheel, you do have controls for like the volume. If a call comes in, you can press the button on the wheel. That's where you do your cruise control.
Where's the heated seats and stuff?
That's right here. Heated
right
seats,
there.
heated steering wheel's right there.
Oh, that's awesome.
So there's 3 settings for the seats, just on and off for the steering wheel.
So is this going to replace the Mustang, or is this a totally different car?
Totally different car.
Product line?
Yeah,
Okay.
there would be a revolt if we got rid of the Mustang.
That's because that's what I kind of thought when I saw it the other day. I was like, did they get rid of the Mustang?
Nope.
Go like strictly EV?
Nope, we're
sports
still
car, so-
still making coupes, convertibles, V8s, Shelbys, all that stuff. That's not going away.
Yeah, so this will be definitely a nice introduction into like the electric sports car vehicle.
Yep. So
market.
they took some Mustang design and style, performance. But this is all-wheel. You can get all-wheel drive, so you can drive it year-round. If you have a family, you have room for your friends and your family.
Yeah, plus the hatchback.
There's additional storage up front.
I have more test drive videos being uploaded later on. If you guys want to subscribe down below, I will have a test drive of the new Ford F-150 Raptor as well as the brand new Ford Bronco. Well, guys, that is going to be it for the 2021 Seattle International Auto Show. I hope you guys enjoyed coming here with me and looking at all the new cars. It was fun to look at everything. There's so much stuff to try to record. I could literally spend like 3 days here. So I hope I got what you guys wanted to see. If not, there's always next year. Thanks for watching. Leave me some comments down below and consider subscribing. I'll see you guys on the next video. Have a good one.